Namaste. Today the world is grappling with COVID-19 pandemic, and a lot of lives have been lost, livelihoods have been lost, and countries like India are trying to get back on their feet, but they are facing challenges like generation of jobs, vaccinating its large population. But it's also being held back by vaccine patent regimes. And on the other hand, we have e-commerce giants and social media giants who are reluctant to follow local laws. So in such a scenario, how do we face these challenges and related issues? To answer these important questions, we have a very distinguished guest today. We have Satish Kumarji, who is the national co-organizer of Swadeshi Jagran Manch. He's originally from Panipat in Haryana. He has been a Sangh Pracharak since 1983. He has worked as RSS Pracharak in Haryana, Jammu Kashmir and Punjab for more than 30 years. He was Sahaprant Pracharak in Punjab. He has written several books on Swadeshi issues. Welcome Satish Kumarji.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Initially we'll talk about the patent regime and the way we vaccinate our large population. It is known that vaccines are the Ramban for COVID-19. That's what is being said. And very many world leaders say that vaccines are the solution for this pandemic. But on the other hand, we have these patent regimes and countries, even the rich countries, who are very reluctant to let go the patent regime free. And we have people like Bill Gates who are saying that they are for the patent regime. In such a scenario, how do countries like India get over this patent regime and vaccinate large population? And what is Swadeshi Jagran Manch view on how should India deal with this patent regime and also vaccination not just of COVID but all other medicines?
So I welcome you to have a such type of session. Everybody knows about this pandemic. After First World War, 1917, the breakout of Spanish flu.
Yes.
This is the most severe pandemic the world has seen. Of course, in 1917-18 Spanish flu, 5 crore people lost their lives.
Yes.
In that comparison, this time 4 million, I think 40 lakhs something
Yes.
people have lost. But as advanced science, we bow our head to our medical scientists, not only in India but all over world, that within less than 1 year they developed the vaccine. Whereas in the Spanish flu time, you may be remembering that it took 20 years to develop the vaccine.
Yes.
But as of now, this year, in this pandemic, within less than 1 year we developed. And only 5 countries out of 200 plus countries, only 5 countries could develop this
Vaccine.
US, Russia, China, England, Germany, AstraZeneca and our Bharat. And we as a vaccine maker, we are the largest maker in the world. Even we have a capacity more than China and US also.
Yes. Yes.
And our Swadeshi vaccine, Covaxin, even the Covishield, which the formula is from the AstraZeneca of UK German
Yes.
company with the Oxford research. But the major producer of the AstraZeneca formula is also Covishield.
Right.
And as of now, we have jabbed our person to 45 crore, around 45 crore
Yes.
persons. This is largest in the world, because China is saying that we have given more than 110 crore people's vaccine, but their data is
we cannot believe their yes.
विश्वास नहीं करता है. So US has jabbed only 35 crores.
Yes.
We have jabbed
45
crores as of now. Up to December, we will have a 200 crore jabs. बहुत बड़ा issue is not of the Bharat, but we are in the Swadeshi Jagran Manch, because we are the thought of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Yes.
For we are caring for the African peoples. There African Union, the last day the ambassador to US of EU was in our webinar. She was saying we have 134 crore peoples.
Yeah.
And merely 7 crore क्या नाम है they have got up till now.
Yes.
Their population is equal to लगभग हमारे.
Yes.
But we have 44 crore, they have only 7 crore क्या नाम है vaccine. So Swadeshi movement, we have launched a movement, universal access to vaccine and medicines.
Okay.
UVAM
Universal
campaign.
access. Okay.
Because when we क्या नाम है started doing the vaccine, then it came to क्या नाम है our knowledge that even in the India, where we are producing Covaxin like Swadeshi vaccine, 900 types of material is used in one vaccine, and 750 type of material are within our country, but for 150 type of different molecules and different क्या नाम है material types, we have to be dependent on the other countries.
Other countries, yes.
There are two major supplier, either China or US. We China to no issue to taking from China, na. Only the option is US.
US.
But there we came to know that there is on the value chain, they have so many patents there.
Yes. And they're not ready to even
Nobody
let go of
knows why the vaccine is not producing the large in Bharat. It is not due to us, not due to the lacking of capacity,
Yes,
but it is only due to the raw materials unavailability. And the major issue was the patent laws of US.
Yes.
And the four major corporations, Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson, they and their sub-suppliers are not ready to give the raw material.
Even during a pandemic.
Even during
despite
pandemic.
losing so many lives, they are not
So
ready
many
to-
lives.
Yes. Yeah.
This type of, this is not good idea. This is not the, and WHO chief, Ghebreyesus also appealed for this, and there is a worldwide consensus that there should be repeal to this patent laws. Even the WTO, there is a clause that in any epidemic or pandemic, this general rules will not work.
Okay. Right.
Even the provisions of such type of rules, they are not relenting. This is the problem area. So for this reason, Swadeshi Jagran Manch has taken a worldwide campaign, UVAM campaign, Universal Access to Vaccine and Medicines. And we have the webinar with the America, with the US, London, with the क्या नाम है, African Unions, with the Southeast Asian countries.
Okay.
15 lakh persons from the Bharat and all over India has signed a petition
Okay.
for the patent-free vaccine.
Okay.
15 lakh. And plus to that, more than 300 vice chancellor and 2000 prominent personalities from India has also appealed,
Okay.
signing a petition to the WTO, WHO and these pharma companies and US, UK nations government.
Okay.
कि you should do patent-free vaccine, not for the speed up of production in India, but also for the South African total
So, yes.
मानवता के लिए.
Exactly.
We have to 738 crore persons are on this planet.
Exactly.
As of now, more than 350 crores vaccine has been produced.
Okay.
And
But
you will be
we
knowing
have a long way to go.
200 crores
Yes.
vaccine is on the developed countries, US and Europe. America has 34 crore, less than 34 crore, but they have preserved 100 crore of vaccine.
Looks like they're stockpiling and
They are
then they
stockpiling,
want to
and they are the
sell it at a
African
profit.
countries, the Southeast Asian countries, they have no
Yes.
क्या नाम है, even 2%. So equitable distribution of this vaccine is must, and for that we have to be a patent free. WTO have started considering this. Now text-based negotiation has started.
Right.
Of course, these major pharma companies are obstructing. Bill Gates is obstructing.
Yes.
Every other which have the only interest in the money.
Yeah. Pharma companies. Yes.
So the Swadeshi Jagran Manch is of the view. In Bharat mein, we have our government has distributed the formula to the 10 companies.
Yeah.
You may be knowing.
Yes. Yes.
So we have producing not only Covaxin, Bharat Biotech and in this Serum Institute. Other than these two institutes, we have in the 8 institute industry, we
Vaccines
are producing this vaccine. So we will get 200 crore vaccine up to December.
Yes.
So there is not a major problem in India, for India.
Yes.
No. But for the total, वैसे भी, what is the क्या नाम है वो this the problem of this pandemic, if everyone is safe, if everyone gets jabs,
Yeah, exactly.
no
Yeah.
one is safe. If
Yes.
someone is suffering this
vaccine नहीं
pandemic,
मिलेगा
because
तो
the virus
everybody
will
is not
travel,
safe. Yes,
whether it is in
exactly.
Africa, whether it is in Southeast Asian country, and
Yes.
from anywhere
And
else.
when all economies, all air traffic opens up, the
Huh,
risk
huh.
is more.
Huh.
If,
So if you have to be safe, then you have to be give the vaccine
Vaccines
to
to
all
everyone.
these persons. So Swadeshi movement is struggling for this, and we are made a very good pitch for this also.
Okay.
Government of India is supporting.
Okay.
Government of India with the South African government has
Okay.
moved in the WTO.
Okay.
In the WTO, you know, the member countries are the governments. We are not the member there in the WTO.
Yes.
We can only appeal, we can only preach, but the actually action has to be done by the governments.
Governments.
The government of India is doing very well on this front in the WTO. They are advocating for the patent-free regime, and we are hopeful that in the August there will be a good decision in the WTO.
I think one another related is also about just generic medicines, patent for generic medicines, which Indian government is doing good. But pharma companies are also very reluctant to let go of even for generic drugs. So I think this pitch at WTO and other countries will help in that.
Ultimately क्या है कि about this pharma companies, drugs, whether it is vaccine, whether it is
Yeah.
medicine, whether it is of the corona or others,
Yeah.
paradigm of Bharat
Right.
and paradigm of the West
Yeah.
is altogether
Completely
different.
Yeah, we say
They think health sector also and it as a bazaar.
Profit making initiative for them.
They
It's
say
like, yeah.
विश्व एक बाजार है, भारत says विश्व एक परिवार है.
Huge difference. I mean, completely
Yes.
divergent views.
हाँ.
Yeah.
When someone in your family gets in problem, then you never think about the money. You only think how he will be get out of the problem.
Very true.
But in the West, one will think, oh, how I can get money
profit
from
on-
the
yeah.
this. This
Yes,
approach of the West,
Yes.
thinking world as a market,
That is
that is a problem area.
yeah basis
So-
of the problem. Yeah.
Huh. That is why 20% drugs of the world are being produced by the Bharat.
Yeah.
We are the pharmacy of the
Pharmacy
Bharat.
of the world. Yeah.
If today we stop, then there will be huge problem in the African countries, even US also.
Yes.
We are supplying generic drugs to the even US also.
Right.
There are the lower middle class families in the US.
Exactly.
They use Indian drugs.
Medicine.
Why? It is not because we are have the much less quality. No.
True.
But seeing about this pharma company, pharma sector, our approach is of seva bhav,
Okay.
manavata.
Yes.
This is working. They compel our industry to rate these drugs and pharma, particularly generics, because we are leader in the generics.
Yes.
We are not a patented in drugs. We are not leader in patent. We are a leader in generics. So there is our leader in the generics also. Our difference of the rates in the US or Europe,
Okay.
they are 1:10.
Exactly. Yes. Yes.
So world over, the our drugs are liked because we are cheaper, we are quality हमारा अच्छा है. So this is the reason
Okay.
of our approach.
Yes. Yes. COVID also led to millions of deaths and loss of jobs and livelihoods. So the very next challenge is to recover those livelihoods, generate more jobs. And we know Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, thanks to efforts of Swadeshi Jagran Manch, have all have gone ahead, and it's almost towards fruition. But still, it is not enough to feed every stomach. So generation of jobs is one major issue even before pandemic, but after pandemic it has worsened. So what is your view on how to generate jobs, and Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, how it can be improved so that more jobs are generated, and also ensuring that our own interests are not forsaken for the sake of FDI or forest investment or technology transfer. So how do we balance this generation of jobs and also going forward in terms of economy? How can we do that, Sajid?
Of course, this pandemic has created much havoc on this front also. 40 lakhs persons have lost their lives,
Yeah.
but the all 738 crore have lost their economic balances. Everywhere, not in the India, everywhere. You see in the US, Europe, everywhere. There is the GDP loss,
Yes.
historic loss, never in the history of their countries, including India.
Yes.
We have in the last year, in the second quarter, we dipped our GDP by 23.9%.
Yeah.
In total, 2021 year, we dipped by minus 7.3%.
True.
Everywhere, this is the problem. And when the economy comes down, then there is a severe problem, especially of the downtrodden, the lower income groups. They lost their
Yes.
employment, their jobs are lost everywhere. But you mean because the fundamentals of the India are so strong
Okay.
that we are recovering much faster than predicted.
Okay.
Every think tank of Bharat, every think tank of even Europe, US and international agency, S&P and FinTech, every
Yes,
economy
all the indexes,
saying
yeah.
that now the India will grow at the double digits,
Yes.
11%, 12%, this type of.
Okay.
So, whereas the issue of economy is concerned, the major indicators are showing that India is recovering
Recovering
very
fast.
fast. We are now in the positive also.
Yes.
So, the issue is not of the major economy, but issue is the livelihood and employment of the lower categories.
Exactly.
In Bharat also, in the world also. When we say about the Bharat, before pandemic also, we were facing the issue of employment.
Yes. Right.
When we were growing in the 2015-16 at 8%,
Yes.
even then everybody was saying it is jobless growth.
True. Even at 8%. Yes.
Even at 8% we are say, our economists were saying jobless growth. Our survey was showing that.
Yes.
So, there is a disconnect between the growth and the employment.
Livelihoods and employment. Okay. Right.
This is why, this is one factor, because the wrong perception and definition of the employment.
Okay. Okay.
Because when we started doing work on this in Swadeshi,
Yes.
we came to know everybody was saying jobs, but the issue is of employment. People would think one guy comes from the even IIT or any engineering college. Huh? He says, I have to get a job.
Job. Okay. Definition.
People think
Got it.
employment means jobs.
Job. Okay.
And how much jobs are there? We calculated
Okay.
in the organized sector, including all the government,
Okay.
from PN to PM.
Okay.
Last man is PN to PM, including the organized large industry, Tata, Adani, Ambani, and FMNC or Baki sub foreign industry, all have only 3 crore 60 lakh and 42,000 jobs.
Okay. So-called jobs.
So-called
jobs. Okay.
Bharat labor force is 51 crore.
Okay.
Out of this 150 crore labor force, there are all types of jobs, only 3 crore 60 lakh. That means roughly 7%.
7%. Yes. The rest almost 48.
If you
crores.
fill all the jobs, even then you have only 7 to 8% jobs. Then how we
Rest
will
90
cater the
92%.
total
Yeah.
92% people, 93% people? This wrong paradigm,
Okay.
this wrong
Right.
definition has created much havoc in Bharat and the world में भी होगा.
The very definition of what is a job or
हाँ.
what
So we should use first the word employment.
employment.
One person, my one Karyakarta, he is a first year pass Karyakarta, but he is now a 100 crore rupees company.
Uh-huh.
Huh? He is having a 4 MBAs
Okay.
with him.
Okay.
One MBA from the Symbiosis University he has. He was telling me, Satish ji, in the employment definition of job, I am a jobless man.
person. But he's generating
I am
jobs for
unemployed.
others. Yes.
Whereas I have more than 120% in my company. If you will say, if you are doing job, no, where nowhere nobody get me a monthly salary.
Yes.
is giving to me. I have, because I have a CEO next to me. I am not the CEO of my company. I am a jobless, unemployed
Unemployed.
So this definition, change of definition is not technical point. This has created havoc. Actually, the major reason for the creating unemployed, because our youth what thinks, up to 25 years he thinks I should get a BTech degree, BCom degree, then MCom, then MTech, then PhD,
Yes, yes.
and 26, 27 years passing of life, he says let the government should give me job,
Today morning I was
let
reading a
the
news
some company give me job.
Yes, yes. No, that psychology has affected to such an extent. Today morning I was in a Kannada newspaper.
Huh.
There was a clipping which said that a lady
Huh.
attempted several government exams, failed, and she committed suicide.
Oh.
She's a talented lady who has gold in economics and all that. But
Ah.
this definition of job and the psyche of the society.
Ah.
So, as you said, yes.
Yeah,
it's a very
such type of.
yes.
Whereas the Swadeshi, what is saying, we have solution.
Yeah. Okay.
We have solution. The solution lies with our youths. We are telling them, अरे you can have so much money यार, क्या चिंता करते हो? Why you are going after jobs? Why are you देखने के लिए? Or not we are giving them two suggestions to our youth, Swadeshi Jagan Manch. One, start earning early,
Okay.
earn while you learn.
Earn when you learn. Okay.
Don't go 25 year, 26 year having BTech degree, MTech degree with you. No. You should start earning when you are in the 12th class,
Okay.
even 11th class. You know the Warren Buffett,
Yes.
the third largest rich person, he started earning in the age of 11. He purchased his first share in the age of 11.
Okay.
Sachin Tendulkar started earning in the age of 16.
16.
Bill Gates started in 18.
Without completing graduation.
Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg started earning in 17.
17.
क्या नाम है धीरूभाई अंबानी, नॉट मुकेश अंबानी, धीरूभाई अंबानी स्टार्टिंग अर्निंग इन 19. क्या नाम है जमशेद टाटा स्टार्टिंग अर्निंग इन 14.
Yeah.
तो फर्स्ट इज इफ यू वांट टू हैव बिग मनी, स्टार्ट अर्निंग अर्ली एंड अर्न व्हाइल यू लर्न.
Okay.
This is our solution number one.
The very definition of job has to change.
Yes.
Yes.
Second, we are giving, don't be job seeker, be job provider.
Job provider. Okay.
Go for entrepreneur. Don't be MS with this type of degree, that type of degree, that type of PhD, and doing requesting someone MLA and someone government officers, please sir, my biodata is so strong. ये वो अरे काहे को भाई,
Yeah.
तुम इतना जबरदस्त आदमी है, जाओ ना.
Job provider. Become
Yes,
job provider.
entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship. Yes.
Oh, someone asked, I was giving a lecture in the Punjab. Someone asked, sir, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. How I can sell anything? How I can manufacture anything? You are saying उद्यमिता, but my poor, my dad and my so poor that they cannot give me the 10,000. How I can? You are saying go entrepreneur. मैं कह रहे बाप रे क्या कहता है? For entrepreneur, no money is needed. No money is needed. मैं कह yes. Baba Ramdev, what the Baba Ramdev? Only he can sell this nose and can yogasan posture. What money he has? And now he is a $3 billion company.
And he is providing millions of jobs.
खिचक
Lakhs
और
of jobs.
ये सांस बेचकर भी कमाता है आदमी.
Yes.
Have anybody here in the world that सांस बेचकर भी पैसा कमाते हैं? This is the entrepreneurship. You can earn from this.
Okay.
I tell him this Oyo rooms, the Ritesh, he basically from Haryana, his family.
Okay.
He was shifted to Odisha, but basically the Agrawal family, Bania family of Bhiwani district of Haryana.
Okay.
This guy is it was only 19. Only he was have a +2. And now he is a $4 billion company. What he sell? I asked to that boy.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So start earning early and don't be job seeker, job provider.
Okay.
In the history of Bharat, we were never be job seeker. We were every day we were entrepreneur. This job seeking mentality is given by this अंग्रेज. उन्होंने कहा नौकर बन जाओ, 1 तारीख को बढ़िया तनख्वाह मिल जाएगी, हमारे नौकर में, उनको नौकर चाहिए थे, उन्होंने मालिकों के देश को नौकर बना दिया. They did this and the government after independence, this 70
Following
years,
the same pattern.
follows same pattern of that English pattern. So this is the reason of the unemployment of Bharat. We are shifting the 180 degree.
Okay.
Come to the back. And you will, क्या जबरदस्त होगा? हम तो कमाएंगे इतना. If a boy says that I want a job of 20,000, I want to slap him. Why you are thinking about the 20,000? Why you do not about 20 lakh?
Exactly.
If you go
Job
on the
provider.
entrepreneur route,
Yes.
you will earn 20 lakh. If you go on the job route,
Yeah,
and,
there's a limit actually.
this will be a limit. This will be your capacity, your capabilities.
Yes.
So explore them. This is our route, and we are hopeful that India is going on the entrepreneur route.
Okay.
We will help by skilling our boys and girls, but even we are cautioning also, only going on skilling,
Okay.
this will not help. Skilling is one part of the total entrepreneurship.
Right.
Entrepreneurship is mentality.
Okay.
Skilling is outwards
of it,
thing.
yeah.
Chota cheez.
Okay.
hai. This is chota part. Total is skilling.
Okay.
This entrepreneurship comes from the heart and head.
Okay.
You go, you see that so much opportunities. India is flourishing. 42,000 startup we have started.
Yes. Right.
This year, in this 6 months, we have produced 15 unicorns. Your
Yes.
Bangalore is the hub of
Hub
unicorns.
of unicorns. Yeah.
Even US, even China has not produced in 6 months 15 unicorns. We have produced.
During the
That
pandemic.
shows how much entrepreneurship our girls and boys had. So we have to address this.
Okay.
Our boys and girls will do wonder. They have started doing wondering. And the next 8-10 years, we will become pakka $10 trillion economy.
Okay.
We will have 100% employment here. We will have 0% BPL here, below poverty line.
Okay.
This is a vision of Swadeshi.
You spoke about entrepreneurship. So, very closely related to entrepreneurship is dumping of goods and free trade agreements with different countries. And we know how China is dumping goods. And Swadeshi Jagran Month has given a call to boycott Chinese goods. So, our entrepreneurs, are they more dependent on Chinese goods? And how do we come out of this, cheap products because of China? And even we have to change the consumer mentality. So how do we balance this? Like on one side we have to create entrepreneurs, but we have this Chinese products, dumped on us. And people in general, they choose cheap products, and China is dumping. So how do we balance this? How do we change the mentality of our own people?
From the last 3-4 years, the government of India has done a lot on this issue also. They have raised the dumping duties, the goods coming from the China, on toys, on murtiyan, ye Diwali ki jhalrein, in all the blankets, so many items.
Yes.
They have raised the duties.
Okay.
But the trade balance is not coming down.
Right.
Once it had come,
Okay.
the 2 years back, but again it is around $50 billion.
Right.
This is a huge trade deficit. This is destroying our manufacturing also.
Yes. Yes.
But this is to be, government is to be supported by society.
Exactly. Yeah. That is the main crux of the question.
Because if society will not support, how a government can do? Government can raise the anti-dumping duty.
Yes.
This kind of,
Yes.
even then, if everybody will go, government of India is giving PLI,
Okay.
production linked incentive.
Incentives.
And for that reason, now you may be knowing, even the Chinese company are manufacturing their cell phone here.
Yes. Xiaomi, many others.
Even
Yeah.
many
Yes. Yes.
But they can do this. But the part of the society has to be
Awakened.
raised. होना चाहिए. This is done by the Swadeshi Jagran Month. We are appealing again and again,
Yes.
boycott these Chinese goods. Also, we are stressing our government also to more screw on these Chinese goods.
think after Galwan, there was some, especially after Swadeshi Jagran Manch gave a call after Galwan incident.
Yes, yes.
There was some effect on the society.
Yes.
But I see last
there
1 year,
is.
during the pandemic, maybe it was medical supplies or other plastic goods. Again, there is that dumping happening. And
If you will go in detail of this Chinese imports, then you will see a quality difference.
yeah.
Now, where the employment sector is more, that goods have come down. Imports of that goods, like I am telling you, toys,
Yes.
this type of blanket and motiya, Diwali ka, Holi ka material, this type of which has MSME sectors
Okay,
produce.
okay.
This has certainly
Come
come
down.
down,
Okay.
very drastically come down.
Okay.
No crackers is coming now from
No,
the even jhalar have come down by 80-90%.
Okay.
Only 10% jhalar is coming, such type of. Yeah. But they have raised their ones in the medical section because the pandemic. We have to in emergency purchase some type of chemicals and big machinery. They are sending.
Electronics?
Electronics is roundabout somewhat down.
Okay. It's
Somewhat
come
down. Somewhat down. It is majorly the big machinery, chemicals,
Okay.
and this medical
supply.
instruments.
Okay.
Not the
Medical
medical instruments like
Instruments.
oxygen generator
Okay.
and this type
Yes.
of
Yes.
things. In these areas, our export to China has also been increased.
Okay.
So marginally our deficit with China has reduced. It was earlier $58 billion. Now
Okay.
it is $51 billion or 48, 49 something.
Gradually.
Gradually it is coming down. But what we are expecting, this should be drastically, it should come to zero, our trade deficit with China. For that purpose, government and society both has to work hard.
Okay.
But we will do.
Next is, during this pandemic, e-commerce has grown leaps and bounds. And it's also helped our local traders and retailers in a sense, we can say that. But the same e-commerce giants, they are literally, holding these local retailers at ransom. And they are dependent on these large giants, like maybe, I don't know to name them, but they're large e-commerce giants. And Swadeshi Jagran Manch had also taken an initiative to say that there should be laws which monitor e-commerce in India and safeguard the interests of local traders and retailers, and including who are not there on e-commerce platforms, that is kirana shops. What about them? So these things, how do we ensure that e-commerce stays, but also they follow the local laws, and also the interests of the local kirana and local traders are not hampered. So how do we do that, and what do you think government can do in this aspect? And given that e-commerce giants, they are like political clout in their home countries, and the way they try to impress the policies here. So how do we balance that?
E-commerce is the
In thing today.
order of the day.
Order of the day. Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
और उसके बिना नहीं चलेगा. So we are not opposing e-commerce.
Right.
But totally economic circle is to be decentralized.
Okay.
Here also I would like to say the paradigm shift, because this total economic system, this is Western system, economic model. This model is
The GDP
Western
model itself is
This is the for the centralization of everything.
right.
You say manufacturing, they will you say services, they will concentrate them.
Yes.
Now e-commerce, they will concentrate Amazon and Flipkart. These two
Exactly.
holding the.
Yes.
Actually, the problem is not e-commerce. Problem is of centralization.
Right.
We are saying you go for the e-commerce,
Okay.
but that should be decentralized.
Okay.
Our Kumar Vembu of Zoho has
Zoho. Yeah.
has given a model, and he has scaled up this. He is now 800 crore rupees company. He is giving platform to the local shopkeepers.
Okay.
One market, he will give you his next solution. So such type of solutions are also coming up. But the Amazon and Flipkart, especially I'm telling about these two.
Amazon, yes.
These two here, they cannot do the business. They are only provide platform.
Yes.
They are saying we are platform, but actually they are retail business they are doing. They can do only B2B.
Right.
They cannot go B2C,
Right.
business to business. This is called B2B.
Yes.
Business to
Right.
consumer, they cannot go, but they are doing.
Yes.
This is illegal, this is unethical. Illegal route, they put up their advocates in high court, in everywhere,
Yes.
and
Exactly.
make clue from the isme se.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is a big problem because they put up the full law firms, big law firms, because they have not 2 crore rupees they will give to, they will from this route, that route. For example, 1 year back, there was a paper 2, you cannot sell. Then they make somewhere with the iCloud, some type of sort of वो
Yes.
Infosys
Yes.
group
Right.
क्या नाम है
Right.
वो,
हाँ.
तो दे वे आउट निकाल लिया उन्होंने. So government now also, government has consumer protection laws now, maybe शायद in this session.
Exactly. Yes.
Swadeshi Jagaran Manch has given some. Ultimately, the people also have to be awakened, our shopkeepers have to, retailers have to awaken, and our government has to awaken and put the total pressure on these two. If you have to work as, you can only as a platform, but actually you are doing business, this is wrong, otherwise you have to be wind up.
Right. Yes. So,
This type of, for that our small जो वो है, जो छोटा उसका है, मीडियम साइज के प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, they should
That
come
time,
up.
yes.
They should come up. Government has to support them. Government has started, but this is to be scale up.
we just spoke about foreign MNCs and big e-commerce companies. So this is very close to related to that. Globalization versus localization. We spoke about Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. But India as a country, we are in trade agreements, whether it's GATT or earlier WTO and all that. Then we have relationship and trade relationship agreements with several countries. So how does India, and we have the issue of technology transfer. I mean, there are some things which we can do, but we require technology from other countries, advanced economies. And we can't also remain aloof in this so-called globalized world. But in order to grow, we require investments from abroad. But at the same time, we have to safeguard our own local industries, local technology. So how do we balance between globalization and this localization? And what is Swadeshi Jagran Manch doing about it specifically?
Actually, this is here also I want to correct you. This nomenclature that globalization versus localization,
Okay, okay.
this nomenclature is also not good.
Okay,
Versus, it is not versus. Actually, the definition of globalization, which was produced in 1991, 95,
Yes.
there,
After
now
so-called
that
economy
has
opened
been failed totally.
totally.
Even before pandemic, before pandemic, when there was Trump, Trump was putting due to the all
Yeah, yeah,
was
yes,
saving
right.
his giving protection to his industry.
Industry. Yes.
He was not caring about the WTO clause. He has started economic war with China. What was the, actually Trump was declaring I am against globalization.
Yes.
That globalization which was predicted by the US itself. When UK go for Brexit,
Yes.
Brexit was declaration of non-globalization, failure of globalization.
Failure of globalization. European Union itself was, yeah.
Actually, the ideas of globalization is wrong of the Western.
Okay.
The real globalization
Okay.
rests with the idea of Bharat. 10,000 years, our ships carrying masala, carrying yarn, carrying textile, everything were wandering to the whole Vishwa. 10,000 years. So when we say the localization or something, then we don't say we are against doing the export or import
business
or
with outside.
worldwide business. No, 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 no. This wrong concept is of the Western. No. We are saying the globalization version of Bharat.
Okay.
Huh. What is the, oh, you be rooted in your roots and you do good business. Looting of other economies is globalization version of West.
Yeah, yeah.
Supporting total global business is version of Bharat.
So it's more like still the colonized version
Huh.
of trying to make a country economic colony
Huh, huh, huh. This is wrong.
versus
Huh.
our Swadeshi
Our,
economies.
huh.
Yes. Right.
World trade,
Yeah,
we want to tell how the world trade is done, how the actually the globalization is.
Right.
On the name of globalization, you are looting and you are colonizing. Now, first the US and Europe was doing. Now, China is doing this.
Exactly.
Now, the pioneer is China. 50 years was Europe. Before US, it was Europe. Then US, now China. They are colonizing, they are economic looting
Yes.
of the world. But the globalization version of Bharat,
Okay. Okay.
based on the
Globalization.
principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam,
Okay. Got it.
that will work.
Yes.
That will sustain.
That.
Model of Europe
Okay.
collapsed in 80 years. Model of America collapsed in 120 years.
Yes.
Model of China is collapsing in 40 years. But we sustain for 10,000 years and more. So, we are for this type of
Okay.
कि have roots in your root,
Okay.
but even then you can have the world. हमारे उन्होंने कहा विश्व एक व्यापार है और जाइए संपूर्ण देश के लिए प्रोड्यूस फॉर द ग्लोबल.
World.
हाँ, for that we have to raise our quality of our
Yes,
products.
exactly.
हाँ, तो that protecting our क्या नाम है child is not that क्या नाम है we are preparing ourselves to fight for.
Exactly.
No, no, no.
Yes.
Our protecting so that he can help the others. So there is no clash between localization, globalization.
Okay.
It is the growing path. First you be localized, then you will be globalized.
Okay. Right.
No versus, but it is coordinating.
One other challenge is the advent of social media and data sovereignty. And I know in 2019, Swadeshi Jagran Manch passed a resolution to ensure data sovereignty, data localization, digital nationalization. And over the last few months, we have seen what's happening with the major social media company literally staring in the eye of the Indian government saying that we are not liable to your loss. So the two issues, one is making these companies adhere to our laws. Second thing is, even if they adhere, what about the data? Whether it's big companies which store cloud storage which is not here, with data servers which are there, and our own data in terms of privacy of Indians data. So what is Swadeshi Jagran Manch's view on what the government can do and what we as common citizen can do in order to so that we have the awareness about what's happening, where is my data, what will happen to the data sovereignty of the country?
Actually, one thing is that the European companies, American companies and Chinese companies
Right.
are seeing Bharat with the vision of 1990 or maximum up to 2000.
Right.
They are हम अंग्रेज, हम बड़े लोग.
Yeah. It's still the colonial
हाँ, they
hangover.
are colonial mindset.
Yeah, colonial mindset.
हाँ. But now the Bharat has awakened. Who are you to dictate us?
Okay.
भाग जाओ यहाँ से.
Right.
No, we are here to serve you. वो क्या serve you नहीं? Our commerce minister has rightly said, you are when the this Amazon man Jeff Bezos came here in India and declared, I will invest $1 billion here.
Yes. Yeah.
Our Piyush Goyal commerce minister, you are not doing for the India.
Yeah.
You are doing for your
For
business.
your business. Exactly.
So he did not met him.
Yes.
This was the first time. Wherever the president and prime minister request Bezos to give Jeff Bezos to give 1 hour, and here he has come and he was requesting to our prime minister did not met,
Yes.
our finance minister did not met, our commerce minister did not met. only on the he can met only to the joint secretary level man.
He went to Taj Mahal and
Now
he
the
had to
Bharat has
pray,
changed,
right?
bhai.
Okay, right, right.
Now we are on equal footing. If you will do, then we will do business.
Right.
Now the data look, we have said to all this Twitter and this and that, you have to put a resident here, officer, and that man should be of Indian origin.
Right.
You
Yes.
have to give the reports about the total data, whatever you are generating from here.
Right.
And not only this social media giants, but also the other company also, even Amazon and this
Yes,
type of.
yes.
You have to save data here, localize it data. ये नहीं चलेगा यहाँ का डाटा और आपके पास रहे. No, the time has gone now.
Okay.
But the mindset of bureaucracy is obstacling. अभी पूरी तरह से 100% हम नहीं ना फ्री हुए.
Exactly.
दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. अभी भी हमारे ये साहब लोग हैं यार, बड़े लोग हैं. अरे काहे के बड़े लोग हैं? They are not coming to serve us.
Yes, they are there to make their own profit.
Their own profit. Only the profit motive is there. No other than profit. कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Because they are seeing 138 crore people here.
For them, it's a market.
So big market.
Yes, it's a big market. Biggest.
Huh.
Yeah, biggest market.
So we have appealed to the go to coup. No use of this Twitter. And I am happy that our IT minister has, after joining as a Ashwini Vaishnav,
Yeah.
as joining as on the seat, after 2 days, he jumped to
Coup.
coup also. He did not left the Twitter,
Yeah.
but he came to coup. IT minister joining coup
Yeah.
is the indication that we are the further Swadeshi type of.
And can't be taken for
हाँ,
granted. Yeah.
you cannot be. If you will say no, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, I will say okay, हमारा चल जाएगा काम.
Right.
Twitter has been banned in Nigeria, na?
Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
Yes.
So why not here?
True.
If you will do business here, you have to हमारा law मानना पड़ेगा. Indian law. You cannot say that we are registered in the US or
exactly.
anywhere,
Yeah.
so law will apply.
That's
No,
their
no, no, no.
alibi.
वो वहीं पर ही apply होगा.
Yeah.
If you have to do business here the law of the land will apply.
Right. Exactly.
And you have to bow the wishes of the peoples and laws of the government.
Yes.
If you localize data, if you put here resident officer, then only you can do business. Otherwise भाग जाओ. हमारा चलता तुम्हारे बिना.
Right. Right.
हाँ. So this approach we are very much clear. Swadeshi Jangan is very much clear.
Okay.
There is some छोटा मोटा bureaucratic में government में problem है. At the top level of the government there is clarity.
Okay. Okay.
No problem.
That's
I know
important. Yes.
this commerce minister, I know our IT minister, I know everybody. They are very much clear about this.
Okay.
So they have to change their mind.
Yes.
They have to come to terms.
Yes.
Otherwise they will be in difficulty. We will not. We will do business as usual. So this is the.
Thank you, Satish ji. One, if I can say, if I can summarize the whole interview, I can say this is like India is standing on its own. We are not dependent on anyone else.
Huh.
And if they have to engage with us, they have to engage in our terms.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is the crux of the interview.
Yes.
Thank you, Satish ji. It was a very enlightening session. I think we have covered from vaccine patent to data localization, all the issues. So, thank you very much.
Jai Swadeshi, Jai Bharat.